Alright, welcome to Best Solution Academy. Today we are going to solve this question. And the solution says, this is the past question. And the question says, simplify 9 raised to x squared minus 3 raised to x, everything equal to 0. This question is under indices. How do you solve this question? Just solution. This is our question. The question will say 9 raised to x squared. Let me write it very well. 9 raised to x squared minus 3x equal to 0. To solve this one, take this one to cross the sign of equality. Now, for this one, crossing the sign of equality, the sign that is here will be altered. In the sense that if here is minus, it will change to plus. If here is plus, it will change to minus. I'm taking this number to this place. So I'll repeat this 9x squared. Now this is equal to is this. Now take this one to this place and I have 3 raised to x. The minus is no longer there. It changes to plus. We don't normally write the plus in front of it because the number like this is equivalent to, is equal to plus 3. No need for you to write it plus 3. Okay? Now let's simplify further. We are going to write this 9 to have the same base as 3. Okay? Now to write this now, we can have 3 squared, the bracket. This our x squared is this, equal to 3 raised to x. You know that 3 squared is the same as 9. This is it. 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. That is why I got 3 squared. I can simplify further and have, this is a 3, 2 times x, you have 2 times x squared, you have 2x squared. Have 2x squared equal to 3 raised to x. You can see that they have the same base now. They have the same base. Since they have the same base, what can I do? There is a law of indices that says if these two base have the same number, then you can cancel out. So this will be cancelled. Left with what? 2 raised to x equal to x. I can now write it here. Have 2x squared is equal to x. But I'm interested in getting the value of x. To find the value of x, this is the coefficient of x here. I'll divide, here is x. I'm going to divide 2 by x. I have x. I have x. This x will cancel this x. You remember that this one is squared. This will cancel 1 from here. Here will now be 2x is equal to 1. Now, the coefficient of x here is 2. And I'm interested in getting the value of x. To get the value of x now, I'll divide all through by the coefficient of x, which is 2. And I'll say 2x over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. These 2 will cancel this, and s is equal to 1 over 2, which is equal to 0.5. For you to know whether you are correct, you go back and put 0.5 into this question, and it will definitely give you 0. This is how you solve this question. Like and share this video so that you can get more of these